Hi everyone, I'm Tom Lloyd from CCTV. Striving to always bring creativeness and innovation, the Englewood Charlotte Library just unveiled its brand new makerspace. And adding a vibrant touch to this place is a mural created by local renowned artist David Lackey. I encourage you to get up, get out, get active, and come with me as we check out the mural and the makerspace here at the Englewood Charlotte Library.
It has been said that creativity is seeing something that doesn't exist already.
This is something that everyone can do.
You need to find out how you can bring it into being.
They wanted to do creative things.
Forget about the Dewey Decimal System. The Englewood Charlotte Library has gone digital in a big way.
You can pause it and you can substitute filament and change colors on things.
Welcome to the new Makerspace, a hands-on hub where residents can get their geek on with the latest 3D printing technology.
We'll teach them the basic skills so they can get up and running and create birthday cards and 3D prints and have a lot of fun doing it.
Library technician Charles Meyer says fun is not the first thing that residents think of when it comes to 3D printing.
Well, it's been across the board. Some people have been stupefied, wondering, what is this? Other people are going, cool, I want to print this.
But that's not all. While the printers are busy churning out miniature masterpieces, another masterpiece is being created just a few feet away.
Not just a scene, but pastel drawing.
This wall mural is the brainchild of local artist and professional painter David Lackey.
Charles, he said, what do you think about a mural?
It kind of choreographs all of what Englewood has been. In the beginning, what it was, and fishing and birds and conservation.
David started the mural at the beginning of August, and he hopes to finish it soon.
When do you think you might finish it?
I'm thinking in August.
Well, we're not quite sure about that. Stay tuned.
So if you're into 3D printing or any other technology, come check out the Makerspace at the Englewood Charlotte Library, and also while you're there, check out the mural. Encouraging you to get up, get out, get active. I'm Tom Lloyd with CCTV.